Deactivating a supplier provides several advantages, such as preventing unintentional transactions, ensuring historical data is retained for audits and compliance, and streamlining supplier management by focusing on active and reliable partners. This process also helps mitigate risks and enhances operational efficiency. Suppliers may be deactivated for reasons such as poor performance or failure to comply with regulations. Additional triggers for deactivation include changes in business needs, contract termination, ethical or legal violations, and acquisitions that alter the supplier's status or operations. To deactivate a supplier, navigate to the Procurement module and select the Suppliers panel. In the newly opened window, go to the Supplier View panel and select the supplier you wish to deactivate. If your list is extensive, you can use the search bar to easily find and select the supplier. Then, click on the Actions button and from the menu list, select Deactivate Supplier. Confirm by selecting OK on the prompt that appears. Activating a supplier allows a business to resume transactions with a reliable partner, strengthening relationships and ensuring access to needed goods or services. It may occur when a supplier improves performance, resolves compliance issues, or when business needs change. Reactivation can also be triggered by contract renewals or acquisitions that enhance the supplier's capabilities. To activate a deactivated supplier, select the supplier that you wish to activate. Then click on the Actions button and from the menu list, select Activate Supplier. Confirm by selecting OK on the prompt that appears. Reactivating a supplier enables the business to re-engage with a trusted partner, ensuring continued supply of goods or services and restoring a valuable business relationship. Please note that you can also deactivate or activate a supplier by simply right-clicking on the supplier's name as shown and then selecting the appropriate option from the menu list.